year. In addition to that, we are trading these longhorns to jump over the moon. I am absolutely kidding. That would be utterly ridiculous. Get it, Otter? Now if you guys look over to our right, you're going to see a large white building. Inside of that large white building is the Saturn V rocket. The Saturn V rocket is the same type of rocket that took our astronauts to the moon. It is a real rocket in that building and not a mock-up. In fact, it is the only Saturn V remaining that is completely flight ready. On launch pad, this rocket would weigh 6.5 million pounds, and it would stand at 3 above density loss was the only permanent change. This is something folks have to be very careful with as we travel back to the moon and to further space missions. And over on the right now, you're going to see a large gray building. That is the Space Environment Simulation Laboratory, which houses 2 vacuum chambers. The larger chamber, Chamber A, is used to test spacecraft, and Chamber B is used to test phase 2. Right next to the building, as you're driving past them, you'll see large gas storage tanks that hold liquid nitrogen at 320 degrees below zero. The nitrogen is pumped into the vacuum chambers to simulate the cold, harsh environment of space. This facility also uses the heat lamp to mimic the hottest environment of space, allowing the engineers to test the tolerance of spacecraft and equipment. In 2017, that facility tested the James Webb Telescope. The Webb Telescope will be the most powerful telescope ever made. It is considered to be the scientific successor to the Hubble Space Telescope, but not its replacement. The Webb Telescope will be an infrared telescope which will allow it to see further than ever before. It will be able to see distant galaxies dating back to the earliest days of our universe. This telescope is an international partnership between the U.S., Canada, and Europe, and it is set to launch later this year in 2021. Over on the left-hand side now, you're going to see Building 220. That building is the Human Exploration Research Analog Facility, or HERA. HERA is a habitat meant to test the psychological aspects of long-duration space missions. Groups of 4 volunteers live inside of here for up to 40 days to simulate what it would be like on a mission to Mars. Communication is limited to the outside world, and there is even a 20-minute communication delay to prepare for what to expect on future missions to Mars.